Hello, my name is Saad Akram, and today I'm going to present a hacking challenge for my subject network vulnerability and penetration testing. So, this is the table of contents in which, like in the whole assignment, I'm going to explain executive summary, flags, web hacking, SNN authorization, SQL injection, bulb suit, and remedy strategy. So first of all, executive summary. The fundamental goal of this report is that it is the hacking challenge for instructive reasons, portraying the in and export route for entrance testing. The difficulties are made in this report are taken from Hacker 101 website, CTF site. Indeed, the 8 banners are hash codes and piece of information which are accounted for. And the second thing is flags. Here on website Hacker 101, numerous flags tasks are given which are required to solve for getting appreciation. So I chose some of them. The first I chose is micro CMSVI. The one I'm going to show is this one. And at this page one, I created more page named as test, as you can see in the screenshot. Then I explored in a ways to find out while editing the pages are not in sequence. The first two pages are in order, 1 or 2, but the new test page marked as 7. And while exploring the previous one in edit option on page 5, I found the flag. As you can see in the screenshot, you can see the flag. And then at submission I found accurate and get points, so it turned out that pages are not in ordered form. So now I'm going to explain web hacking. Web hacking is considered as the most prominent in hacking method, as huge number of companies has digitized their number and it's compulsory to have latest theme website in order to grab users attention. But there are also intruders to demolish businesses and cause harms to users. Some of techniques are XSS and authorization and SQL injection. So first of all, XSS and authorization. Cross-site scripting assaults are a kind of infusion where numerous contexts are infused into like any kind-hearted and confidence inside. So XSS assaults happen when an aggressive utilization of web application to send premise code by and large as program side context to an alteration and client. It is recognized as, in this case, as like larger or smaller. In this case, sample script like script alter 1 and script. So as shown in picture, the flag has red, which showed that page in injected the metadata by considered as replaced with just simple text as shown below. So there is like screenshot attached for the alert. You can see in bracket 1 2 3. So like after that we have like going to do SQL injection. SQL injection normally it happens when you ask a client for input similar to their username, user ID, and rather than a name ID, and client gives you a SQL statement that you will unwillingly run all your information base to explore on SQL injection. I created an account on CTF1 and solving lab that showcase like SQL injection, and I attached a screenshot for this as well. So uh, as it's my first time exploring SQL, so following the basic command called help, as you can see in the screenshot. So I need to see user insight, so the command select start from user is applied. Then as in picture, the data looks a bit strange, and but the challenge are there to find out exact values. So I'm trying to explore password of user name score 4 marks as is shown in and entered. So as I move forward, it asks to explore user results by command select username, high value user. It displayed all user, but to get specified, like one command needs to be different. As the task need to find name of dog have ID 4, so the command which will use select star from. Further, it's asked from getting an amount of order. So by using such codes, I need to explore whole. So by entering code order where the item price is equal to 128. Now moving on towards SQL injection, as if user search something out of the context like select from dog's name which is 3PO, it's fine too difficult to search. I search according to the explore the result, and then so after exploring the items I came to know the exact format through which data which came easily stop. The command showcase all dogs name along with tags. So after exploring like how I was able to find it out, and the screenshot is attached as you can see. So Bob Suit, it is like known as the top most popular and professional tool for penetrating testing and vulnerability finding tool. It is middleman proxy which related to expect that proxy in between any browser and other client web servers. It was made to be used by involved analyzers to have the testing cycle by exclusion. A couple of interviewers like anyone can utilize best highlights of Bob in various applications. So not with like standing everyone of the inconvenience, bulk purchase driven converses measure in through the far of the pleasant procedure to perform net well-being testing and could take way past the capacities of any customer's factor and snap scanner. Uh, as for testing purpose, I have downloading Firefox browser and Bulbsuit commands to run tests to achieve required purpose. As you can see, I take the screenshot for Bulbsuit and Firefox as well for running test. Select temporary project for here it's running on port 8080. So when I clicked the network option and set the port to 80, Firefox was unable to open. So but if I turn off the intercept mode, page is opening. So you can see in the screenshot. And then remedy strategy at the end, the opening of the shortcoming risks the whole site, it ought to be suited completely. This keep up of the solid quality of the site. Ordinary weakness assessment is a fundamental point for security that comes in number one. Recognizing if the framework is meeting the necessity and yielding routine, strong accreditation through the affiliation, we can make a solid secret phrase by defining a limit in a like way. For example, on the off chance that we keep a long length of the secret phrase, considering the latter set with some excellent characters. By changing the control of power execution of system, changing control measure diminishes shortcomings to the worker. Thank you. It's the end of the my presentation. Thank you.